Good morning, everybody. This is our first ever Facebook Live Toddler Time. It's for babies and toddlers birth to 2.5. If you have any little folks at your home, go ahead and grab them. We are going to get started. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to wake up our hands. And while we're doing that, Mom, Dad, Grandma, and Grandpa, Big Brother, Big Sister, whoever is the typer in your literacy duo, if you could put your child's name, just their first name, in the comments, and in just a second we will clap for all of the kids, just like we used to do at the library when we could have our nice big programs at the library. All right, so we're gonna wake up our hands. Get your hands, give them a shake. Here we go, we're gonna clap. I wake up my hands with a clap, 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 clap. I wake up my hands with a clap, 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 and I wiggle my waggles away. Can you get your shoulders going? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Good job. All right, now we are going to wake up our knees. We're gonna pat our knees. Can you pat your knees? There we go. I wake up my knees with a pat, 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 pat. I wake up my knees with a pat, 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 and I wiggle my waggles away. Good job, guys. All right, now we're going to wake up our heads. Can you touch your head? All right, we are going to nod. Can you show me how you can nod your head? Yeah. I wake up my head with a nod, 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 nod. Nod, nod, nod. I wake up my head with a nod, 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 and I wiggle my waggles away. Hi, Haley. All right, and now we're going to wake up our eyes. Where are your eyes? And we are going to blink our eyes. Blink, blink, blink. Here we go. I wake up my eyes with a blink, 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 blink. Blink, blink, blink. I wake up my eyes with a blink, 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 and I wiggle my waggles away. Good job. Let's sing one more, and then we'll do our name song for Haley, and for whoever else is watching, let us know your name so we can sing to you. All right, so this is a rhyme all about animals on the bus. Have you ever seen any animals on the bus? Did you ever see a hippopotamus on the bus? Oh, I think that might be a little tight. So we are going to bounce our child, and then at the end, when we say say you're squishing us, we're going to give them a great big hug. Here we go. A hippopotamus got on a city bus, and all the people said, "You're squishing us." Good job. All right, now there's a cow getting on the bus. What do cows say? Moo. All right, so our cow is going, all of the people are going to say, "Move over," and we're going to rock side to side like this. We're going to be doing a lot of the side to side motion today, which is great for our brain development. Here we go. A cow, a pretty Jersey cow, got on a city bus, and all the people said, "Move over." Good job. All right, and then last but not least, there's a sheep getting on the bus. What does sheep say? Bah. Good job. All right, so all the people are going to say when the sheep gets on the bus, they're going to say, "Back up." So if you have room, you can hold your child and you can roll all the way back and all the way forward, if you can do that safely. Kids can do it too. Just take a look behind you. Make sure you're not going to run into anything. I'm going to run into the wall if I try to roll all the way back. So here we go. A sheep, a fluffy, fleecy sheep, got on a city bus, and all the people said, "Back up." Good job. All right, let's clap for Haley. Let's all clap because Haley is here. Haley is here. Haley is here. Let's all clap because Haley is here. Haley is here today. Let's all clap because Haley is here. Haley is here. Haley is here. Let's all clap because Haley is here. Haley is here today. Yay! Thanks for being here, Haley. So, if anybody else joins us, if you could just put your child's name in the comments, and I'll make sure that we clap for them before the program is over. And now we are going to do a pumpkin dance. So I need to push my camera back. All right. Yeah. So, do you guys like pumpkins? Do you like pumpkin pie? It's almost time for Thanksgiving. Did you carve a pumpkin for Halloween? And what color are pumpkins? They're orange. And I'm wearing an orange sweater today. Is there anything orange like a pumpkin at your house? Cool. So we are going to sit, put your feet together so you're making a diamond with your legs. And we are going to rock side to side. And this is great motion for our brain development. And then at the end, I want you to show me a nice big round pumpkin and make your arms as round as you possibly can. Here we go. A pumpkin is a pumpkin, a pumpkin is a pumpkin, a pumpkin is a pumpkin, and my pumpkin is round. Show me those big round arms. Good job. All right, and we are going to continue with that rocking motion. We're actually working on our core stability here, and we're actually going to be working on our flexibility a little bit later too. All kinds of things going on. A pumpkin is a pumpkin, a pumpkin is a pumpkin, a pumpkin is a pumpkin, and my pumpkin is huge. Show me that giant pumpkin. You can barely wrap your arms around it. You got your feet out wide. Yeah. Can you see me? To look over your pumpkin. Can you still see me? Okay, good. Let's rock some more. A pumpkin is a pumpkin, a pumpkin is a pumpkin, a pumpkin is a pumpkin, and my pumpkin pie is delicious. And bend forward and eat your pumpkin pie. Yum, 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 yum. Good job, guys. All right. Are you ready to read our story? This is Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. I love this story. We need to think about how we're going to make that noise. I'm going to pull my camera closer. All right. So let's think about that. How are you going to make that noise? You could stomp your feet, or you could pat your knees. Boom, 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 boom. Good job. Or you could clap your hands. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Or you could get a couple of wooden spoons from the kitchen and bang those together. Boom, 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 boom. Let's read it. This is Chicka Chicka Boom Boom by Bill Martin Jr. and John Archambault, illustrated by Lois Ehlert. Lois Ehlert. Look at that. What's this, guys? What's this? Letter A, B, C, D. Oh my gosh, I think it's the alphabet. Will you sing it with me? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Great job, guys. Let's read about the letters. A told B and B told C, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Actually, B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. Whee! Said D to E, F, G, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. Will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. Do you see letter H? Down there. I'm going to move you guys in even closer. You can see this a little bit better. There we go. And I and J and tag along K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. Will there be enough room? Look who's coming. L, M, N, O, P. And Q, R, S, and T, U, V. That's a lot of letters up that coconut tree. And still more. W, X, Y, Z. The whole alphabet up the, oh no, chicka chicka boom boom. Oh no, they all fell down. Oh no. Skit, scat, skadoodle, doot, flip, flop, flee, everybody running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears and dust off their pants. Help us up, cried ABC. Next from the pile up, skinned knee D and stubbed toe E and patched up F. And then comes G, oh, out of breath. H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped, N is stooped, O is twisted, alley-oop, skit, scat, doodle, doot, flip, flop, flee. Look who's coming. It's black-eyed P and Q, R, S, and T. Loose-toothed T. And then comes U, V, W. Wiggle, jiggle, free. Last to come, X, Y, Z. And the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But, chicka chicka boom boom, look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. So, what do you think is going to happen next? A is going back up the coconut tree. Do you think B will follow? I don't know. Hey, look. There's the whole alphabet again. Let's sing it together. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Great job, guys. Give yourself a hand. All right. Do you like this book? Chicka Chicka Boom Boom? I know that we have a program with this on YouTube already from several months ago, but this is an oldie and a goodie, and so I thought that we would kick off our Facebook Live Toddler Time debut with Chicka Chicka Boom Boom and practice our alphabet, get all of our literacy skills going. So, are you ready to do the ants go marching? All right, so stand up. Stand up, stand up. We're gonna march. Can you show me how you can march? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And stop. Good job. So how did you make that boom, boom for Chicka Chicka Boom Boom? Did you pat your knees? Did you clap your hands? Boom, boom. Did you get some wooden spoons to bang together? All right. So there is another boom, boom in this song. So get ready. Here we go. We're going to start with 1. Can you show me your 1? Yeah, good job. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. Good job. So we had 1. What comes next? 2. Here we go. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2. The little one stops to tie her shoe, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. Good job. So we had 1, 2. What comes next? 3. Good job. The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3. The little one stops to climb a tree, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. Good job. So we had 3. What comes next? Can you guys even see my hand? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. The ants go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4. The little one stops to shut the door, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. Good job. So we have 4. What's 1 more? We've got 5 ants. Last time. Here we go. The ants go marching 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5. The little one stops to take a dive, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. Great job, guys. All right, it is time to say goodbye. Can you wave goodbye? I will see you next week, Friday mornings at 10:30. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. We'll see you next week. Now it's time to wave goodbye, wave goodbye, wave goodbye. Now it's time to wave goodbye. We'll see you next week. Awesome. Thank you for being here today, guys. It was so much fun. I will see you next Friday for another Facebook Live story time at 10:30. And we'll put this